So hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial I'll show you how to turn on captions on TikTok. So let's get started. At first, make sure you have the TikTok app downloaded from Google Play Store or App Store, and also make sure that you have logged into your account. So let's open it. And this is the home page of your TikTok account. Now you should have to tap on profile icon, which is available on the lower corner of right side. So tap on it. Then tap on a video like this. Then tap on three dot, which is available on the lower corner of right side. Then scroll down below and you will see the option of captions. So tap on it, then enable it. This video doesn't run caption because the lyrics are not available on British or any other language. If you have do this method on English video or any other video, then you will definitely get captions available on the screen. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and also hit the bell icon for more easy tutorials. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye, take care, have a great day.